Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to continue our past paper discussion for the O-Level December 2019 paper for the subject Business and Accounting Studies. In this video, we will be going through question number 21 to 30 in the part 1 MCQ section. So let's get into the video. Answer the question number 21 and 22 using the following information. Some transactions of a business and source documents are in the following table. Question number 21. Select the answer when source documents are matched in the order of transactions given above. So first transaction is credit sales to Kapila rupees 40,000. Credit sales are recorded in the sales journal. So the source document should be the sales invoice. So for transaction 1, source document is D. So in the given 4 option, you can see 2 are starting with the option D. So let's use the shorter method. Purchasing a furniture of rupees 50,000, the very last transaction. Purchasing a furniture of rupees 50,000 on credit for the use of business. You are buying a capital good on credit. So here the source document, prime entry book is general journal. So the source document is a journal voucher, which is B. So here answer is answer 4. But let's see the other two as well. Credit purchase of rupees 10,000. Credit purchases are recorded in the purchase journal prime entry book. Here the source document is purchasers invoice, which is C. Receiving of investment income rupees 5,000. So this is in cash form that you have received. So for this prime entry book is cash book and source document is receipt. Select the answer that shows the prime entry books used to record the above transactions in the correct order. So we just discussed that transaction 1 will be recorded in the sales journal. Transaction 2 will get recorded in the purchasers journal. Transaction 3 will get recorded in the cash book. Transaction 4 will be recorded in general journal. So the correct answer in that particular order is answer 1. Question 23. Cash in hand with the petty cashier of Deepal's business as at 1st September 2019 was 250 rupees. So this is the balance in the beginning of September. Okay. This is for September. On the same day, petty cash impressed of rupees 4,700 was reimbursed. So they have reimbursed 4,750, making the opening 5,000. Alright. The total of petty cash expenses for the month of September 2019 was 4,200. Opening was 5,000 petty cash opening balance. During the month, they have spent expenses totaling to 4,200, which means the closing balance for the month of September should be 800. Select the answer that shows the cash in hand as at 30th September. So cash in hand is 800 and the reimbursement as at 1st October. So how much should you reimburse to bring it back to 5,000? So to bring it back to 5,000 in 1st of October, you need to reimburse 4,200. So the correct answer is answer 3. The first being rupees 800 and next being rupees 4,200. Question 24. What is the reason that does not become the cause for the difference between the balance of bank statement and the balance of bank account of the business? So you need to find a transaction which doesn't cause a difference between the bank statement balance and the bank account balance. Okay. So in the given 4 answers, first pick the answers which actually cause any difference. Okay. Checks deposited but not having credited to the bank account. Yes, this will cause a difference. So that's not the correct answer. Bank charges charged by the bank but not recorded in the bank account. Again, this is also correct. This will cause a difference. So for this question, this is not the answer. A check used for electricity bill and paid by the bank. Now they have issued a check and it has been paid by the bank. So this wouldn't cause any difference. So looks like the correct answer is answer 3. A check deposited directly in the bank by the debtor. Yes, this will definitely cause a difference in the balance between bank statement and bank account, because business doesn't know that the person has paid but already the cash has been deposited. Question number 25. Select the transaction recorded in sales journal of a handicraft producing business. Selling handicrafts of rupees 25,000 on credit. Yes, whenever it is the output is sold on credit, it will get recorded in sales journal. So looks like the first one is the right answer, but let's see the other 3 options as well. Selling handicrafts of rupees 45,000 in cash. This will go to cash book. Selling handicraft producing machine of rupees 65,000 on credit. This will go to general journal, because again they're talking about a machinery. Selling a stock of clothes purchased on credit to produce handicraft of rupees 55,000 in cash. So again here you are selling a stock of cloth, not your output. The cloth that you purchased to produce handicraft but you didn't produce it, you are just selling the cloth itself. So that is not necessarily the revenue of the handicraft producing business. It could be sundry sales or so. So for this, the correct answer is answer 1. Question 26. Sales journal prepared in Sumudhu's business for the month of January is as follows. Select the answer that shows the correct terms for A, B in the above sales journal respectively. So you can see they have recorded a transaction, but in this particular transaction they are closing it up, they are balancing it up. So A is probably a month end that we are looking at. So here it can't be the same date, it has to be a month end. So 31st of January is a probable date, yes. And B, where would you credit this balance? You have sold to Kumari on credit. So this will be transferred to the sales account. So you have to write the account that you are taking this balance to. So here the correct answer is answer 4. As the trial balance of a business was not tallied due to the effect of an accounting error, the difference of rupees 2,000 was credited to the suspense account. So they have opened up the suspense account and they have credited the difference, which means the difference is coming from the credit side of an account. Some account has been understated by 2,000 on the credit side. Alright. So with that knowledge, let's get into the answers. What is the accounting error? Paid wages of rupees 2,000 was not recorded in the wages account. Now, if you paid wages, the correct double entry is cash account credit, because you're paying it in cash. Cash will get credited. Wages account will be debited. Now, if you didn't record in the wages account, it's the debit side that is having the error. But here the error is on the credit side. So answer 1 is incorrect. Paid electricity bill of rupees 2,000 was recorded as rupees 1,000 in electricity account. Now again, paid electricity meaning cash being credited and electricity account will be debited. But here the debit is understated by 1,000 rupees. Here the difference is 2,000. So second one is also not the correct answer. Third one, paid rupees 4,000 to creditors was not recorded in accounts. They have paid creditors and it's not in the accounts. Now if this entire transaction is not in the accounts, then it won't be an error causing it to come into suspense. So third one is also incorrect. Finally, fourth one, purchased furniture of rupees 4,000 was recorded in the furniture account as 6,000. Now, they have purchased furniture, which means cash credit furniture account debit. But you should have debited it by, now if this was the furniture account, you need to debit it by 6,000. Sorry, you need to debit it by 4,000. But what have you done? You have debited it to 6,000, which means 2,000 more. So to remove this, you should ideally have a credit entry of 2,000 in the furniture account. So that's the credit entry which is missing. So for our question 27, the correct answer is answer 4. Question 28. The cheque of rupees 20,000 issued to a creditor was dishonored. Because of this in the business, what's the impact on the bank balance and the creditor balance? Now when you issued a cheque for a creditor payment, your cash has been reduced and on the other hand, your creditors has been reduced because you already issued a cheque to pay the person. Okay. Now, this check is dishonored, which means you have to nullify this entry. You didn't actually make the payment. So, you have to reverse this. You have to increase your cash and increase the creditors. So, the correct answer here is bank balance increases and creditors balance also increases, which is answer 1. Question 29. On 31st October 2019, Chalita purchased a machine of rupees 20,000 on credit, sold a stock of goods for 8,000 in cash and reimbursed rupees 3,100 to petty cashier. Select the answer that shows the source documents used for the above transaction in the correct order. Now, Chalita bought a machine on credit. So, that will get recorded in general journal, which means you need to have a journal voucher as your source document. So, the correct answer is either 1 or 2. Next, sold a stock of goods in cash. So, when you are selling something in cash, the source document is receipt. So, that's the same one mentioned in both answer 1 and 2. Finally, reimbursement to petty cashier. Now when you are paying your petty cashier for reimbursement, you will reimburse through paying voucher. So the correct answer here is answer 2. Petty cash voucher essentially comes when you have an expense. So here it's a reimbursement, so that's not the correct source document. Question 30. Some information about membership fee of Laktaru Sports Club are as follows. Annual membership fee per member is rupees 500. Total membership fee received for the year ended 31st December 2018 is rupees 50,000. So only 50,000 has been received. Only 4 members had not paid the membership fee for the year 2018. The membership fee recorded in income statement of the Laktaru Sports Club for the year ended 31st December 2018 is, now you have received 50,000, 4 members have still not paid, but you have to recognize that also in your income statement as an income. Even though they didn't pay, they will fall under receivables. But for now, under income statement, yes, you have to take this receivable as well. Why? It all refers to the financial year 2018. So for 4 members, 500 rupee per membership, 2000 rupees is receivable. So for 50,000 you need to add 2,000. So the membership fee recorded in the income statement will be rupees 52,000. Answer 4. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and subscribe and support us for more videos.